AI was supposed to replace us. That was the promise. Smarter machines. Faster décision. A future where humans were no longer needed. People said your job would disappear. Your skills would become useless. Even your purpose would fade. But something strange happened. Instead of taking over the world, AI started struggling. So today, let's go deeper than the headlines. Why hasn't AI replaced humans yet? And was it ever meant to? For decades, machines replacing humans felt inevitable. Movies like The Terminator and The Matrix painted a future where AI ruled everything. Cold, logical, unstoppable. But in the real world, AI didn't start as a conqueror. It began quietly, automating repetitive tasks, sorting data, speeding up calculations. Over time, videos and articles spread online claiming automation would erase millions of jobs. And the fear spread faster than the technology itself. But AI wasn't replacing humans overnight. It was replacing tasks, not people. Then came the explosion. AI could write poems, create images, drive cars, even speak like a human. Expert predicted mass unemployment. Some claimed humans would soon be obsolete. For a moment, the future looked unstoppable. But when AI moved from demos into the real world, cracks began to show. Chatbots misunderstood simple questions. Translation tools made embarrassing mistakes. Recommendation systems confused users instead of helping them. Some websites lost massive traffic after switching entirely to AI-generated content. The technology was powerful, but something was missing. AI doesn't understand the world. It doesn't feel fear. It doesn't feel empathy. It doesn't understand meaning the way humans do. AI learns patterns from the past, but real life doesn't follow patterns. Humans think in stories. AI thinks in statistics. And that difference matters more than people expected. This doesn't mean AI is useless. Far from it. Across the world, AI already handles factory inspections, data analysis, logistics, and routine tasks once done by humans. In many industries, AI replaced work, not workers. But replacing a task is very different from replacing a human. Because the moment something unexpected happens, AI struggles. A crisis, a cultural nuance, a moral dilemma. Humans adapt. AI waits for data. And sometimes, waiting is failure. So why hasn't AI replaced us? Because humans operate beyond data. We feel emotion. We navigate uncertainty. We make ethical decisions without clear answers. AI can remix ideas. Humans imagine things that don't exist yet. AI optimizes. Humans create meaning. This is why experts now agree. The future isn't AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. Machines handle speed and scale. Humans handle judgment and purpose. Together, they're stronger than either alone. Every major technology was supposed to replace humans. Printing presses, computers, the internet. None of them did. They changed us. They upgraded us. AI is no different. It wasn't built to erase humanity. It was built to expand what humans can do. We aren't being replaced. We're evolving. So what do you think? Will AI ever fully replace humans? Or will it only amplify us? Comment below and subscribe to #Flow for more stories about technology, history, and the future.